So we now use the insert function. So the insert function adds a particular value at a particular index. So these values must be inserted at the result field. Okay, so the result day field dot insert so we have to insert result day field, result month field, and result year field. So result day field dot insert. So what should we insert? We should insert the string version of the calculated day here. Okay, so result day field dot insert at the index 10. So we have to convert the calculated day to string. So string of calculated day. So similarly, the month field dot insert. So we can copy the entire line. So one is for month field and one more is for the year field. Okay. So what should we insert for the month field? We should insert the calculated month, and for the year we should insert calculated year. All right, so this is the logic. So far we have done the logic. Now next we will start with the GUI part, that is the Tkinter part of this program. So we now have to use the components of Tkinter programming. So we will write this. We have not used this before, but we will write it here. If name equals main, which means if the main function is present in this program, so that shall be executed. Okay. So we will define main later, but right now we will write this line and the code inside this block. So if name equals main, so what should be executed? That we are writing it now. Now we have to create the GUI window, that is the root. Then GUI.configure. we will have a background as green. So the entire operations, what we do here, the background will be green color. That is, background equals green or light green. Then we can give a title. GUI.title. The title of this window would be age calculator. Then we can define the geometry of this window. Then we shall start creating the labels. The first label is for the date of birth. So DOB equals label on the GUI, text equals date of birth. So all the labels will have a same background, that is blue. So that we will write it down. Then given day. Date of birth and given date equals label on the GUI, text equals given date with the same blue background. Okay, the next label. So this date of birth label will have day, month, and year when the person was born, and this given date will have again the day, month, and year of the current date. Okay, so don't confuse them. So DOB and given date. Next is the day. What is the date when he was born? Day is not like Monday to Sunday, it's the date of the month. So day equals label, text equals day, BG equals light blue or light green, anything. So light green. Next, month. Month is also a label. The background will be light green. The text will be month. The label will be month. So year equals label, the text is year and the background is light green. Similarly, so all these, the day, month, and year comes below the date of birth label. Now, three more labels come under given date field, given date label. That is given day, given month, and given year. So given day equals label on GUI, text equals given day, background is light green, the next label is given month. The third one would be given year. Given month equals label on GUI, text equals given month. Given year equals label on the GUI, text equals given year. Okay, so we have created these labels now. Then 3 more labels: result year, result month, and result day, correct? Result year equals label on GUI, text equals years. It will show how many years old you are. That is, text equals years, background equals light green. This is result year. Similarly, result month and result day. So for the result month, the text will be months. For result day, the text will be days. Right. So once this is done, we can now create buttons for these 9 labels: day, month, year, given day, given month, given year, and result day, result month, result year. So 9 buttons we need to create now. Sorry, not buttons, the entry. Button will be only one button for clearing everything and one button to calculate. So to find the age, result age equals button. On the GUI, the text will be result age. With some foreground black, background red. And when we click on this button, what should be executed? We should call a function. The function would be calculate age, correct? What we have defined above. Foreground you can give as black, background you can give it as red. So background we can give it as red, and command equals calculate age. So we have to check what is the spelling we have given while creating the function, that is calculate age. We can copy that. So this is button to calculate the age. Next button would be to clear everything. So we will copy the previous button because everything is same. So the name becomes clear all entry. So clear all entry equals button. On the GUI, the text we can give it as clear everything or clear all. So the foreground and background can be same. the command. So when you click on this clear all button, the command should be clear all, correct? So the first function, clear all function, should be called. So we have created two buttons, one to calculate and one to clear. So next would be to create some entries. We have to create totally 9 entry widgets, correct? So what should be displayed in the entry widget? The day field, month field, year field. So day field equals entry on the GUI. Similarly, month field equals entry on GUI, and year field equals entry on GUI. So these are the entries to give the details when the person was born. Okay, the next 3 entries would be the current, day, month and year. Given day field, given month field and given year field. So given day field, given month field and given year field, then the next 3 would be result day, result month and result year. So result day field equals entry on GUI. Result month field, result year field, so just information here, we have not yet used the geometry managers. So now the next task would be to create the geometry managers for all these widgets what we have created.